Hello, educators. I am Tarana Chakravarti. Having worked with schools across India and the Middle East, I have seen how quickly AI is entering our classrooms. Well, from lesson plans to quizzes to diagrams to infographics, it feels like having a silent assistant on the teacher's desk. But if we only use AI to save time, it risks becoming just a shortcut, isn't it? Do we really want shortcuts? Well, the real magic begins when we learn to see it as a co-teacher. Of course, it will not replace the teacher. The human touch is required. So imagine a history lesson where AI generates a story for younger learners, the learners who are, slowly progressing, and then there is an infographic timeline that we create. A teacher gives a prompt for the visual learners, and there is another higher order prompts for the advanced learners. Right now, the teacher has given this prompt to create a lesson plan for history. The teacher then steps into spark dialogue. She doesn't stop there. She steps into spark a dialogue, a to clear some misconceptions and connect it to the real life. The topic is being connected to the real life. Now, AI does basically the planning here, but the teacher remains the mentor, the guide, the human connect, right? The teacher develops on the plan offered by AI. It will, the AI will only take up the prompt given by the teacher, but the value addition, all flavor has been added by the teacher here. So the real question is, isn't it whether AI will replace teachers, but how do we prepare the teachers to use it with wisdom through some trainings, that puts pedagogy before technology? First is, how do we teach rather than using plain technology? So it's about helping teachers focus on creativity and empathy, and reminds us, basically, this the question is how to remind us that while AI can generate answers, only teachers can nurture thinkers, right? So this is what I focus on in my CPT programs. In my capacity development programs for teachers, I provide practical hands-on trainings on using AI as a co-teacher, but not as a shortcut, for sure. If your school is ready to explore this journey, let's connect.